Thanatology, it is the study of death in all its aspects. And that is exactly what we are going to do in this video. We are going to learn about death in all its aspects. First, we will learn about the cause of death, then the manner of death, then the mode of death, then the definition of death, then the types of death, and then the examination to confirm death. Starting off with the cause of death. Any injury or disease that eventually leads to death is the cause of death. How the death takes place gives you the manner of death, which can either be natural or suicidal or homicidal or accidental or undetermined. Natural death is where you die of natural causes like aging or progression of a disease. Suicidal death is where you kill yourself. Homicidal death is someone else kills you. Accidental death is you die by accident, and undetermined is you just don't know. The medical practitioner doesn't know how you died. Mode of death. It is the system that initiates the process of death. And this is best described by Bichat's tripod of life. So let's look at this tripod to understand the system that initiates the death. Here is the Bichat's tripod of life. Here is the tripod with 3 legs. Bichat's tripod of life gives you the portals of death. That is why at the end of each of the leg of this tripod, I have kept a portal. Let's say here's a happy human, and this happy human, due to any cause, falls in any one of these portals. When he falls in the portal, he is eventually going to die. That is why they are referred to as the portals of death. Now, what are these portals? These are the portals that lead to death by respiratory problem, death by circulatory problem, or the death by problem with brain function. The cessation of respiration leads to asphyxia. The cessation of circulation or the complete stoppage of circulation leads to loss of consciousness or syncope. And the cessation of brain function leads to coma. When the cessation of respiration, the cessation of circulation, and the cessation of brain function becomes permanent or irreversible, it eventually leads to death. And this is the definition of death. Death is nothing but the permanent or irreversible cessation of respiration, circulation, and brain function. Now, one interesting thing about these portals is that if a person falls into the portal that leads to cessation of respiration, it will eventually lead to cessation of circulation and cessation of brain function. Let's say a person falls in the portal that leads to cessation of brain function. It will eventually lead to cessation of circulation and cessation of respiration as well. That means one portal will lead to the consequence of other portals as well. And this is your Bichat's tripod of life, giving you the portals of death or the Atria Mortis. Next.